Is the son of Barangay Captain Engineer Annabel Yupao of Tungawan, Tambulig, Zamboanga del Sur. He is 8 years old. Our second speaker is Kemper Tracy Yupao. May I request the parents to please stand. Thank you. Our third speaker is Liluan Bonifacio, Miss Occidental. He is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Keflon Mokay. He is 8 years old. Our third speaker is Kef Manfred E. Mokay. May I request the parents to please stand? Thank you. Our fourth speaker is the daughter of Mr. Kevin and Mrs. Ruby Mitale. She lives with her lola and new village, Tambulig, Zamboanga del Sur. Our fourth speaker is Kendra Teresi Talib. May I request the parents to please stand? Thank you. Our fifth and last speaker is 7 years old. She is the second daughter of Mr. Nordito and Mrs. Itila Namalit of Lower Tipara, Tambulig, Zamboanga del Sur. Our last speaker is Gideon Grace Inabalet. May I